Hey everyone, Peter at BWS Spirits in Calwell. We have a walk-in refrigerator right here, as you can see. We have two Buffalo Trident evaporators right there, see? Pretty interesting setup because the one has 3 fans on it and the other one has 4. So that would make, I suppose, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Interesting. Very interesting. We've got the coil at the edge, you can see. And there's the drainage pipe. Same goes for this one. Coil back there, and the drainage pipe there. It is very cold in here, as usual. So yeah, that's about it really, and I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys in the next episode. Bye.